You were mayor during the pandemic,
Yeah.
and what were some of the challenges that we faced here in San Antonio, and how did you overcome them?
The biggest challenge during the pandemic was the fact that there was really no playbook, and there was a tremendous amount of uncertainty and fear, a lack of knowledge about how this virus would, start to be transmitted throughout our community. It was a novel virus. That's why they call it. They didn't have much information about it. It was novel. So we had to kind of work on how do we protect our community in the midst of all of this chaos. And oh, by the way, the federal government's response was nil. It was chaos, similar to what we're seeing today play out. There was really we weren't tethered to a central response. So here in the city, the judge and I decided very early on that we've got to be a united front. We've got to get information out to people. We've got to communicate to folks what we knew, what we didn't know, how to protect themselves. We've got to work to restore some trust and put health officials out front so that they had some confidence that we've got the best people working on this. As a result, obviously we were briefing the community every single day. We were able to build a level of trust that allowed us to work through the pandemic in a way that saved lives, that allowed us to, be aggressive in stopping the spread and preventing vulnerable from communities, people with health conditions that would make them extremely vulnerable to fatal outcomes. We were able to save a lot of lives and, get through it in a way that, allowed us to make mistakes, but get over those and improve the response over time. San Antonio's response has been noted as an exemplar in the way that we were able to protect the public health and get back to being open and vibrant and economically strong as quickly as possible.